Good morning, class. Today, we're going to discuss idioms animals category. Ano nga uli ang ibig sabihin ng idioms? Idioms is the words, phrases, or expressions that are not interpreted logically or literally. Ibig sabihin, ito ay pahayag o makahulugang pahayag na dituwirang nagbibigay ng kahulugan. First, pigs might fly. Hindi ibig sabihin nito na ang mga baboy ay lumilipad. Ang ibig sabihin ng pigs might fly, it is not going to happen. Example, next year, I am going to be a Superman, said John. And pigs might fly. Next is cry wolf. Hindi ito iyak ng lobo. It means pretend there is a problem when there is not, for a joke. Example, the toast wasn't really burning. It was just Justin crying wolf. Next is raining cats and dogs. Hindi ibig sabihin nito na umuulan ng mga pusa at mga aso. Ang ibig sabihin nito, it's raining very heavily or sobrang lakas ng ulan. Example, it's raining cats and dogs. I am worried about how my kids will reach home. Kill two birds with one stone. Hindi ito ibig sabihin literal na mamamatay ang mga ibon sa pamamagitan ng isang stone. Ang ibig sabihin nito ay to succeed in doing two things at the same time. Example, I killed two birds with one stone and picked the kids up on the way to the supermarket. Ulit, ang ibig sabihin nito ay pwede mong gawin ang dalawang bagay sa iisang pagkakataon. Like a bat out of hell. Hindi ibig sabihin na ang bat o panike ay lalabas sa impyerno. Ang ibig sabihin nito ay something that moves very quickly or mabilis na kilos. Halimbawa, he ran out of the house like a bat out of hell. Next is let the cat out of the bag. Hindi ibig sabihin nito na papalabasin ang mga pusa sa bag. Ibig sabihin nito ay to reveal a secret, often not intentionally. O ibig sabihin, hindi sinasadyang pagkakasabi ng isang sikreto. Halimbawa, I'm afraid I've already let the cat out of the bag. Next, mouse potato. Meaning, refers to a person who spends a lot of time in front of the computer. Example, Jomel spends his day like a mouse potato. Next, a snake in the grass. Meaning, someone who pretends to be your friend while actually betraying you. Example, he's just a snake in the grass and a guy you can't trust. Next is work like a dog. Meaning, hard-working person. Masipag. Example, his father is working like a dog to give his children a better future. Next is a guinea pig. Guinea pig means people on whom new methods, treatment, or ideas are tested. Example, my sister tried a new cookie recipe and I was a guinea pig. Like a fish out of water. Ibig sabihin niyan ay to be comfortable in a particular situation. Example, I don't like going to the mall. I always feel like a fish out of water. Like a fish out of water, meaning to be uncomfortable in a particular situation. Example, I don't like going to the mall. I always feel like a fish out of water. Hold your horses. Hindi ibig sabihin na hahawakan mo ang kabayo. Ang ibig sabihin nito ay wait and be patient. Example, just hold your horses, John. Let's think about this at the moment. Thank you very much for listening and God bless you. See you again next time.